So, hey there. So today I'm heading over to my friend's restaurant that is now reopened. I thought it would be nice to support our local restaurateurs. And the name of her restaurant is called Poke Bowl. And I'm sure that they are being extraordinarily careful. So out there to everybody, make sure that you get out and support your local restaurateurs. All small businesses actually start supporting. This is crazy. Support my local small business, my little small real estate company. That would be awesome. Okay, talk to you in a minute. So here I am at my friend's place, and it is open for business. So I'm going to leave the phone in the car because I don't want to take it inside. Because these days I don't mess with the phone very much. So I'll let you know what it's like in there. Okay, bye. So, oh my goodness, it was so sanitary in there. It's crazy. So everybody wears gloves and masks. Not gloves, I'm sorry. Everybody wears, oh, actually they do wear gloves. I apologize. Yes, everybody wears gloves and masks, and they have Purell right there when you leave. Very, very, very sanitary. Unbelievably sanitary being taken care of. So you just have to go in, get your order, and leave. So you're not really hanging out these days right now in a restaurant. But look how yummy my poke bowl. I hope you can see that. It is so good. So she gave me all kind of stuff. So guys, get out and come over to the Poke Company. It's on Church Street in Marietta, right next door to Kennestone Hospital. She's taking good care of our healthcare providers that are in need of subsistence. All right, talk to you later. Bye for now. Don't forget, support your local businesses. Little real estate people over here too. Please send friends and family. Right now is an unbelievable time in real estate, especially to buy with the rates that they're at. So talk to you soon. Bye for now.